how to manually add in the location tag to the picture in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, we can open up the gallery app. Next in here, make sure you go back to the main gallery homepage and then open up the pictures that you want to edit. Next, tap on the more button at the top, then tap on details. From here, go down and tap on the edit button. Then here shows no location information, so we can tap on the add button to manually enter in the location details. Here you can use the search button or you can use the map and browse the location. So we can go in and then select a location. And then you can just tap on it to pinpoint the location. Okay, after that you can tap on the done button. And if you're happy with the location details, you can then tap on saved. And that is how you can add in the location details to the pictures in gallery. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.